Right, so we're going to crease up this whole thing. Let's see how creasy we go. We'll really screw it up. See if we can bring it back. So I mean, I'll tell you what, we'll even put a bit of a rip in it in this one. That's pretty bad, isn't it? Right, so let's rub over the back with water. As we said, with sponge. How's it looking from the front? Not too bad actually. Paste the wall. My pants on show. A little bit. Right, that's pretty good. What way we fit in this? Let's screw it up even more. Right. I've really gone to town now. That is absolutely looking awful. Probably haven't put enough paste on the wall either. Right, squeegee. Where did I do the rip? So if you push hard, so you're pushing like a line of paste up throughout, it really flattens the whole thing down. Oh look, there's the rip. So with a rip, what you need to do is put the sort of lower part of the rip down first. And then just sort of thumb the whole thing together. I mean, rips aren't ideal, but creases are not a problem at all. There. Oh, no paste behind this part, that's right. As we can see, no creases, apart from a big splodge of paste.